Hello everyone, and welcome to the latest edition of new inventory at Cleveland, Cleveland.com. 2015 Jeep Latitude 113 smooth on the clock, beautiful SUV, well maintained, safety check, four-wheel drive, Latitude, ready to go and ready for you. Upgraded winterized Jeep floor mats from the previous customer, racks in the back. Tires are in great condition. The vehicle itself is clean and ready to go. Safety checked, oil changed. Great vehicle, great value. That big screen also helps you when you're backing up with the backup camera. And as a special note, the easy access for all your electronic devices right up front. Cleveland, Cleveland.com. Guaranteed credit approval. Here for you, online, in person, Cleveland.com.